All right, how you guys doing today? All right, let's quickly talk about how you can start making money online. The easy way, that's the way I'm going to call it, right? The easy way. Now, there are just really just four things that you need for you to start making extra income from home today, right? It's just four things. And if you have all those four things, your chances of getting a sale, of making some good amount of money is almost literally guaranteed, right? Now, what is the first thing? The first thing you need is called a smartphone. That's all right. So if you have a phone, a smartphone, it has to be a smartphone, right? Or your cell phone. That phone has to be able to take pictures, send images, make videos, simple phone, just like the one that I am using right now. So if you have a simple smartphone, you are ready to start making money online today, right? So I don't know. Do you have a smartphone? If you have, you are in business already. So that's the first thing, right? You want a phone that can take pictures, send out images, take videos, send out videos, something simple, very simple thing it can do, right? Then the second thing you need is internet. You have to have access to Wi-Fi, or you have a data that connects you straight to internet. So once you have a phone, a smartphone, and internet access, you are already in business already. You can literally start making money online even today, right now. Okay? All right. So what's the third thing? Now you need a product, because you have to be able to sell something, right? It's when you are able to sell something, that's when you can make money. So you need a product, right? And we are promoting what is called the Legacy Builders Program. And you'll be asking, Victor, what is the Legacy Builders Program? So the Legacy Builders Program is an online training program that teaches you how to start an online business, how to grow the online business, and also how to get customers to your online business. So it teaches you how to do all those things. So that's a very, very powerful product. And we have almost over 49,000 members in that program right now. 49,000 members and counting. Now, why is this product so wonderful, right? Because you can promote the program and you will earn $900 in commission, guys. It's powerful. Very, very powerful, right? So you see, a lot of people online out there are promoting products that pays them just $10, right? So because they don't earn enough with their product, so if they want to make like $3,000 in a month, they will need about 300 sales. 300 sales. But if you are promoting the Legacy Builders Program, which pays you $900, you will only need 4 sales in a month for you to make $3,000. So that is more easy, right? It's easier to get 4 sales than to get 300 sales. I will always go for 4 sales, right? So the Legacy Builders Program is life-changing, right? You can see that because it actually makes you $900 in commission over and over again. So that's the number 3 thing you need for you to actually make substantial income online. Then let's talk about the number 4 thing. The number 4 thing you need is what is called traffic, right? Traffic just simply means a lot of website visitors going to your website, right? You want to have a lot of people coming to your website, seeing your product, and then if they are interested, they go ahead and buy, and you make those $900 commission. So you want to have a lot of traffic. So where can you get this traffic from? So you can get this traffic from Facebook, from YouTube, from TikTok, from Instagram, from solo ads. a lot of wide places that you can get all those traffic from. So, and all those traffic methods are taught in the Legacy Builders program. Awesome. But look, let me tell you before I go away, we are giving out a free bonus, right? So if you decide to join my team in the Legacy Builders program right now, okay, it's just for a limited time. This is what's going to happen to you, right? So all you will need to do, you will give me your Legacy Builders website link, and I will start promoting your link for you totally free of charge, guys. It's powerful. This is just for a limited time. It's only for a limited time. So if you decide right now to join my team in the Legacy Builders program, once your website is ready, just send me your website link. That's all. And I will start sending free traffic to your link immediately, right? Now, why am I doing this? This is just to help all the new members in my team, right? For them to focus on the training, all right? While I focus on promoting their link for them. So I get to do the work. And if they make a sale, they get to keep all the commissions, right? And I get to do it totally free of charge. It's just for a limited time, for a limited number of people, and you want to be one of those people right now. You don't want to waste time to become part of those people, so that I can start promoting your link right now all over the internet and get you as many lead and customers to your link, right? It's powerful, very, very powerful thing. So if you want me to promote your link for you, do that right now. Join my team in the Legacy Builders right away. So I'm going to leave my link description above or below. Click on that link, get started. Once your website is ready, send me your website link, and I will start sending free traffic to your link. How do you like that? Awesome, right? With that, I will see you again. Take care. Bye.